Thank you for joining us for QuickBox Web File Share training. Web File Share is a feature that you can order on the QuickBox that allows clients to be able to share files and folders with other users within the company or with other clients, other guests. It's like having your own private cloud where you can share files and folders with anyone, anytime, anywhere. The advantage of having Web File Share on your QuickBox versus using it on the cloud is, number one, it's not on a public server. The advantage of having things on QuickBox is they never leave your office. They're stored on your network. They're not on a public server. There are many articles out there that you can find if you wish to learn more about this as well. Here we're going to show you how QuickBox Web File Share works. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, I've just logged in as admin. Each of the users can be set up to see different things. Sometimes you may want sales folks to only be able to see, for example, sales and marketing materials. Some folks in tech support may only need to see tech support issues. And so the nice thing about Web File Share is it allows you to give people only what they need to see to do their job. I'm going to go down here and give you an example of how to share a file and folder. These files and folders are actually stored on a server. The nice thing about QuickBox is you don't have to upload your files to the QuickBox itself. They can actually be located on your server, and we simply point the QuickBox to where the server files are located, or to a particular directory on the server. It doesn't have to be the entire server directory. Particular example, these same files, these are the files, and they're located actually on the server. And hopefully you can see here, anywhere, AOS, and all the same files, because Web File Share does not keep a copy of those files. It's simply pointing to where you want to share files. I'm going to take a test file. We'll take this particular document right here, and we'll go ahead and share that. We'll click on Web Link, and instantly that document or that image is ready, it's shared. I can test it just by clicking on Open. Boom, there it is. Let's get another example here. I have a file here. I'm going to search for it. There it is. I can already see that it's been shared because I see a link on it. I'm going to go ahead and right-click on it. There's the link. And in this particular one, I've actually put a password on the file. Password's called test. And I also want to receive an email notification as soon as it's been downloaded. How many times do you send out a proposal or some type of attachment and you really wonder, hey, do these folks, are they even opening my proposal? With this, it actually allows you to receive an email back instantly as soon as they download that document. If you don't get an email, they haven't opened your file. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Save Changes. And let's see how this works. So I can click on Open to give you an example. It asks me for the password. I go ahead and I put in the magic password. Boom. There is the PDF filing. And the nice thing is, I just received an email notification that that file was downloaded. Super cool. Okay, on to the next thing here. Law firms are going to love this, especially when it's law firms or medical offices who have sensitive data that cannot be left out there forever. You know, the share link, you actually can put an expiration date. You can put a download limit. So hey, once it's downloaded one time, the link automatically turns off. Big plus right there. We can also put download terms and conditions. Those magic things that say, by downloading this, you agree to blah, 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 blah. Great for law firms. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Changes here. If I actually wanted to email this right out of Web File Share, I can go ahead and click Share Link, and I have all of these different options. I can share this on LinkedIn, Twitter, Google. I'm just going to go ahead and click Email. There we go, from Nick. I'm just going to go ahead and send that. There we go. Nick Rodriguez sent you a file. There we go. And as soon as they download it, I get an email notification. If you have an entire folder, let's say, for example, downloads here. I literally can right-click on it, create web link. There's the web link. If I want to take a look at what it'll look like, I go ahead and hit Open. There we are. That's how simple this is. Literally, to share a file or folder, Web File Share is powerful and easy to use for sharing files and folders. We thank you for joining us here today in our QuickBooks Partner Training. We hope to see you soon.